Dum, dum, dum. Monday, October 20th, 2025. It is cloudy, but it was rain hours ago, but we'll get another one very soon. This is really not making any sense. Are you moving seriously right now? Well, I mean, I don't know. If I would really ever make sure, I don't know even if you were. Hello, and welcome back at Gamer XD25 Bogus Action. And today, and today, but today, so, so, so yesterday, I already did DORA7. Why? Why? Because of, because of, because of a symbol, alright? Because of symbol, I probably is why I know I was just very seriously recently some respecting it, some respect. Click on a link. Well, not yet. Maybe maybe you want caught up and let's do this, right? So no, I thought recent is a expecting suspecting, yes, I have no idea what expect. Okay, what else? Well, okay, what else? Well, I'm imagined girl who likes a party. Likes a party, yeah, likes a party, right? Just wondering, I don't know. It's just other day and other day it's just the other day it's just make sure about that. Okay, what else? Well, so hmm. Hi. Oh. So Halloween is coming up in 11 days. 11 days. 11 days. 11 days. 11 days. Just make sure about that. Well, I mean, let's just make sure about that. And, well, it's just Halloween's coming up, right? Let's just make sure. Okay, what else? So, it's been 2 weeks since I made it the 8th anniversary of October 6th, 2017. Yeah, because I would really say something, a few words. Well, I mean, let's just make sure about that. Reason is, I mean, that was, well, sort of. And what else? Hmm. If I were you, so, my question is, my question is, let's just make sure about that. Let's just, make sure about that. Make sure. So I mentioned the Thanksgiving opening theme, right? Thanksgiving opening theme. It's just Thanksgiving opening theme. Thanksgiving opening theme, right? Thanksgiving opening theme, right? It is coming up. Yeah, but next. I gotta give you more details tomorrow. Why? Why? I don't know. Let's just make sure. Oh, by the way, happy Applejack Day. Applejack Day. Let's just make sure about that. And reason is. And by the way, thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe the channel. You like, comment below. And we will see you in the next video. Wait, I don't know. Because we live on the farm, I was just make sure about that. I mean, yeah. Let me deal with that.